I understand that you are one of the teachers at the school here. Is that correct? Huh?
Yes, I'm very interested.
And what are you teaching here?
I'm teaching English, arithmetic, geography, history, and nature study.
May I ask how old you are? I know it's not quite polite, but I will anyway.
I'm 21 years old.
And you have a little baby with you?
Yes.
You turn around so I have a look at it. Hello! Do you always carry your baby with you to work?
Yes.
Do you have many children?
No, I have only one.
Uh-huh.
And her name is Aisha too.
I see.
Yes.
Now, I'd like to ask you a few questions about what it is like to be a woman in this community. I know that in many Islamic communities, the women are beginning to, well, shall I say, talk about emancipation and so forth.
Islamic, we have more than one wife.
Yes.
And those who are workers have to be careful. There is so much trouble with our husbands.
Trouble with the husbands?
Yes, if you are working.
Uh-huh. You mean there is...
Sometimes they don't like it. Most of the men, they don't like working women.
They don't like working women?
No.
Uh-huh.
And there is so much trouble.
Do you think that the women here will do something about it to change it? Or are most of them content, or will most of them just let it go as it is?
I don't think there will be change in the future.
Not in
But mostly they have one wife.
I see. So some of the women are protesting then.
Yes.
Does your husband have more than you?
No, he has only myself.
And he won't have any more, you think?
No, I don't think. But I think in the future he will have another one.
And you're not going to like that?
No, I don't like that.